This doesn't look real, but it's one of the most famous places on Earth. Carved by time itself, this natural wonder is located in Arizona. This is the Grand Canyon, stretching over 277 miles across the desert. Layer by layer, these massive rock walls tell a story that's millions of years old. Far below, the Colorado River continues its slow, powerful journey. Standing here makes you feel small, yet deeply connected to something greater. Would you visit the Grand Canyon? Follow for more beautiful places in the USA.